whispers of the earth. The dawn awakes with golden hue, and spills its light on fields of dew, where lilies stretch in morning grace, and rivers hum through time and space. A breeze drifts softly through the pine, like ancient songs of the divine. Each leaf, a note the forest keeps, each petal wakes from twilight's sleep. The mountains wear their silver crown, while waterfalls come tumbling down. Their laughter echoes pure and deep, a secret song the heavens keep. The sky ignites with amber fire, as dusk descends and dreams inspire. Stars bloom upon the velvet sea, and whisper earth's eternity. So still your heart and softly breathe, for beauty lives in all that weaves. From trembling grass to ocean's foam, in nature's arms we find our home.